Imagine this. You wake up one morning and the sun is gone. Not exploded, not dimmed, just collapsed into a tiny, glowing dot in the sky. A neutron star. Still there, but cold and silent. Sounds impossible? It is. But let's pretend, just for 5 minutes, that the sun turned into a neutron star overnight. What would happen to Earth? To us? And what does that reveal about the strange, delicate balance of our universe? Let's find out. First, what even is a neutron star? Imagine the mass of the sun, over 300,000 times the mass of Earth, squeezed into a ball just 12 miles across. That's smaller than a city. A neutron star is the crushed core left behind after a massive star goes supernova. It's unimaginably dense. Just 1 teaspoon of its material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. And it's weird. It can spin hundreds of times per second, has a magnetic field trillions of times stronger than Earth's, and sends out bursts of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. But here's the twist. In our scenario, the sun doesn't explode. It just blinks into neutron star form overnight. Totally unrealistic. But hey, we're just imagining. So, what happens the moment the sun transforms? Surprisingly, Earth stays in orbit. The sun's mass doesn't change, so gravity holds steady. Planets keep spinning around, like nothing happened. But there's a problem. A huge one. No more sunlight. The sun's energy production, powered by nuclear fusion, has stopped. And since light takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth, we'd still get those last golden rays. But then, darkness. Temperatures would start dropping fast. Within a week, most of Earth's surface would be below freezing. Within a year, hundreds of degrees below zero. Oceans would freeze over. Plants would die. Food chains would collapse. We'd be left in a frozen world, lit only by starlight and maybe some faint glow from the neutron star, if it was still spinning and radiating. Now imagine this happening to us. Civilization as we know it would unravel fast. Power grids would fail without sunlight for solar and satellite systems. Global agriculture? Gone. Mass migrations, food shortages, and panic would follow. Underground shelters or fusion-based survival systems might give a few groups a chance. But let's be honest, we're not ready. And then there's the cultural impact. Some might see it as an apocalyptic event. Others, a cosmic mystery. Religions would interpret it through their own lenses. Scientists would be baffled. News feeds? Chaos. Conspiracies? Memes. Probably a neutron star challenge on TikTok. We'd all be left staring at this tiny, haunting dot in the sky, the ghost of our sun. So, could this really happen? No. Our sun isn't massive enough to ever become a neutron star, but imagining it helps us understand just how fragile life on Earth is and how lucky we are to orbit a warm, stable star. The sun may be just one of billions, but to us, it's everything. And hey, what if instead of a neutron star, the sun became a black hole?